10 to 15 years from now, the world will look a lot different. The rise of Brics is here. Brics and Brics prospective nations have a lot to look forward to. I try to explore what these countries have to offer in the emerging multipolar world order. First up, Cuba. Ever since the revolution, which overthrew a brutal dictator, Cuba has suffered under devastating US sanctions for decades. Its people are genuinely suffering as a result. Now, Cuba seems to be focusing quite a bit on social issues, either as a means to distract its population or to garner favor with US liberals in an effort to avoid more sanctions. It's hard to tell. Perhaps both things are true. But these sanctions have also prevented Cuba from building up its productive forces and trapped it into over-relying on a vulnerable tourism-based economy. In short, truly, Cuba is in between a rock and a hard place. So what can Cuba actually offer? To get to that answer, we need to understand what Cuba's most valuable export is. Medical care. Cuba sends teams of doctors around the world to assist with epidemics and natural disasters. It's also made incredible advancements in medicine. So it's not difficult to envision a world where Cuba becomes a socialist biomedical powerhouse, producing low-cost, life-saving, proven, and non-experimental drugs and possibly cures to things like cancer. And then Cuba can begin exporting these things around the world. Such a move is in the interest of a multipolar world order, but Cuba would need serious investment. And the upshot is that this would also help build up Cuba's productive forces, and maybe even take Big Pharma down a notch or two, as well as bring a cheap, higher level of healthcare to countries around the world who need it most.